Okay, I wanted to just do a quick video on the difference between a non-polyester glitter and one that is polyester glitter. I did all of these wine glasses the exact same way, and I used these four that were Recollections colors, and then I did these two that are polyester glitters. This one is from Heather. It's Cherry Bomb, and this one is from Volt Glitters, and it's Tourist Clean. If you look at this cup, you can see on the edge there's bumps all the way around it. It's kind of hard to see it, but there's a ton of bumps on these. On every single one that is a non-polyester glitter. Now, if you look at this one, smooth. There is not one bump. The glitter lays down so flat because it's polyester that there are no bumps. This is why you can get away with a polyester glitter with one coat of epoxy, because it doesn't leave the bumps, because the glitter lays so much flatter than on these things. So I'm going to have to sand all of these things down, which I don't even need to sand these, but I probably will just on the base of them, but they're pretty good. But these ones, even the base is bumpy on the top. So I just wanted to let you know the difference between a polyester glitter and the Recollections or any ones that are craft glitters or non-polyester, because they work different. And these are much better. They are more expensive, but there you have it.